to put my address. Hi everyone, this video is what I do or what I eat in a week. So yesterday my friend asked me to babysit because they going to Bangkok with her boyfriend, and so she asked me a favor, and I started like 10 a.m. to around 6 p.m. and it's really timing that I'm not feeling well, so I said, can I go home now? And they said yes, and they got me like Pao Lao Kong. This is like Shopao. This is Shopao, and I haven't tried it last night when I got home because I was really tired because the kid doesn't want me to go home. Like, I don't know, he just want me to play 24/7, like his 100% energy level, you know. So I already reheated one, and let's see what's in this Shopao inside. Oh, ang init. Let's see. I just want to see inside. Uy. Eh?
Eh? Wanda?
Ba't walang laman? Know how to eat this. Look. There's no filling inside. Ay. Man. Let's see. Let's see this one. I haven't really tried like this here in Thailand. Oh, same. So I don't know how to eat this. Can anybody tell me how to Pao Lao Kong? Because usually there's like a beef, pork, or whatsoever. Let's see. So I supposed to maybe put smells like pandan something. So I supposed to put this one. Look at this. Put this over here, I think, inside. I see. I like a dessert. Okay, I already reheated the last one, and it tastes good. This one is sweet, and I like it because it's just balanced, not really sweet. So, I don't know if I'm just hungry or what. Look. Today is really a good day because it's just rained earlier and it's not really hot right now, and yeah, it's really good. Look at that. So this is my brunch. Yeah, this is my leftover broccoli and carrots that I had like 2 days ago. I forgot to take video of that because I was so hungry that time. guys, avocado egg salad. Oh my god, I'm so hungry. Mmm. Mmm. Sarap niya. Mmm. Try nyo guys. Instead of avocado toast, you can try it like avocado egg salad. Mmm. Oh my god, it's so good. Hello everyone, for today I'm buying fridge and I need to put my address. Since my visa has been already fixed this year, so I think I need to stay here longer and I need fridge because it smells with a mini fridge. So I got my new fridge. First of all, I was really stressed out of the color because I'm not used to like black. I went to like a lot of stores here and I cannot find a fridge that have like this stuff, like the spaces here, the shelf. Look, there's a lot. And also I got this on the side. The other fridge doesn't have like this too much, you know, but this one is really good deal because you know the price is not really expensive. And look at this, I also have ice maker. I have this too, and I have this on the side too, so I think it's a really good deal even though it's black. To get used to it of this color, it looks nice. By the way guys, I want to show you this coffee brand. It's called Bon Cafe. And this is really good coffee. This is really perfect for me because it says it's dark roast and strong coffee. So I would like to say thank you to my friend for giving me this as a gift because he said I have a coffee maker. Thank you so much. And by the way guys, he have a YouTube channel. You can follow him. I'll put his channel on the screen so you can follow. And yeah, this is so good. Thank you very much. I really love it.